Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money using Pictory AI. I'm going to show you how to create a video that is engaging, informative, and visually appealing. I'm also going to show you how to promote your video so that you can reach a wider audience. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Pictory AI to create a video that can help you earn money. This video is divided into 4 parts. So, let's get started.
Part 1, Script to Video. Go to the Pictory AI website and sign up for a free account. Click on the Create Video button and select the Script to Video option. Paste your script into the text box. Select the video style and theme that you want to use. Add music and a voiceover if you want. Preview your video and make any changes that you need to. Click on the Generate Video or Download button to create your video. Your video will be created in minutes, and you will be able to download it or share it online. Here are some tips for creating a great video from a script. Make sure your script is well written and engaging. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon and technical terms. Use humor and storytelling to keep your audience engaged. Add visuals to your script to make it more visually appealing. Practice your delivery before you record your voiceover. With a little planning and effort, you can create great videos from scripts using Pictory AI. Part 2, Article to Video. Click on the Create Video button and select the Article to Video option. Paste the URL of your blog post into the text box. Select the video style and theme that you want to use. Add music and a voiceover if you want. Preview your video and make any changes that you need to. Click on the Generate Video or Download button to create your video. Part 3, Edit Video using Text. Upload your YouTube link to the Pictory AI website. Click on Press button. Select the number of speakers in your video. Change or add music and a voiceover, if you want. Preview your video and make any changes that you need to. Click on the Generate Video or Download button to create your video. Part 4, Visuals to Video. Upload your visuals to the Pictory AI website. Click on Upload button. Choose the template style and click Select. Add music and a voiceover if you want. Preview your video and make any changes that you need to. Click on the Generate Video or Download button to create your video. That's it. Upload the generated video to your YouTube channel and keep on uploading until the monetization condition is met. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot about how to earn using Pictory AI. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.